guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today we are gonna do unboxing of Funskool glass painting. As I have already opened it, but for you, I'm gonna show you. But why I have opened it? Because I can better explain you. So let's get on to it. So guys, first we have to just open it. So as you can see, I have already opened it, but it's okay. So basically, there are only 3 colors. Over there, there are 3 colors, and I wish I had more. Now you would have some these holders. There are 2 holders for putting it on it. Then you will have this kind of color palette. Then I don't know why these straws over there could be useful. And then these are for these paintings, and you will get 2 paintings. As I'll show you what I got. First is I got this ship one. Then I got this peacock. I've already almost colored it, but I have to finish it. Last, you will get these cardboards to put it under it. Plus this thing to it is already covered with this wrapper thing to save that glass. And I really like this because it's really creative and you can just time pass with it as it is COVID-19. So I really like this painting and glass painting. And so this is the part 1, but in the part 2 I will teach you how to paint on these glasses. So please check out my next video. Bye.